Hello, here at Shoe Healer, and a good customer of ours has just walked in, Andrew, and where are you from, Andrew?
Just up near Harrogate.
Harrogate way, lovely, lovely. So plenty of money up there. That's great. That's what we like to see. So these boots here, they are John Lofgren. John Lofgren. Look at that, lovely looking boot. The heel has got this tapered edge, similar to some boots that we see called whites. I think they're logging boots, aren't they? The whites. They sell them as a logging boot.
Predominantly work boots.
Work boot, yeah. But these, lovely, super leather, really well made. Double stitched on the sole. Oh, double stitched on this one here. This is another pair. This is what Andrew had on, and we've just asked him to take those off so we can have a look at them, because the thing about them is when I read on the label, these John Lofgren, I can't just, John Lofgren, they're made in Japan. And we were talking about shoes and where they're made, and the best shoes in the world are from Northampton, and you know, shoes made in Europe and sort of fashion shoes. Wow, these have come from Japan and they are beautiful. You can't imagine Japanese people wanting to wear these though, because they're generally quite small. Am I right in saying that? Quite small feet and such. Petite, yep. And these are big, heavy, chunky boots, which are beautifully made. So why are they here? Well, they've been brought in because there's a little bit of rough stitching in the back of the boot. I don't know if anybody out there has got a pair of these and they have a similar sort of issue. There is a cross stitch across the back here, bringing these two halves together before the heel counter goes over it. And that cross stitch inside, I mean, it doesn't particularly feel bad to me touching it here, but Andrew says it's bothering his heel, so we're going to put some liners in. Just have a quick look in here. Look, can you see that there? The cross stitch that runs all the way down. I don't know. You might just be a bit soft. What's up with you?
I think so.
Yeah.
Just a bit,
but the boots feel lovely. Now, 700, 800?
Yeah. 50, I think.
£850 for these boots. They're going to last forever. The workmanship in them is beautiful. The finish is fantastic. They're gonna just last forever. They've got the Vibram sole unit on there, great big thick heel on there. You're just never gonna wear these out, even if you ride them on your Harley and you've got no brakes. They're gonna just last forever. And this is the other pair of John Lofgren, that Andrews took off his feet. This leather is
it's a Shinki horsehide.
Shinki horsehide leather.
Yeah. So
well,
it's the Japanese tannery is Shinki, and
right.
Then I believe it's pre-shrunk, so it's really, the grain on it is super tight, because when it's tanned, it's shrunk.
Right. It's beautiful. It really is a nice. It won't be everybody's cup of tea, of course not, but what a lovely, lovely boot this is. The leather feels superb, nicely finished off, rolled edges on the top, some fabulous speed hooks, like solid brass they are. Good grief. They'd be something that was should have been on the Titanic. That's just so well made, solid brass, lovely speed hooks on there. Yeah, just lovely. I mean, of course they want to be for that sort of money, £850. We've got a little issue here that Andrew pointed out, that the back of these speed hooks is just rubbing a little bit, but I promise you, it's not going through. It's just took the colour off a little bit. Bit of polish on there, it'll be absolutely fine. Definitely not worth doing anything with. You know, it's same on this one as well. Look, you see, it's just, all it's doing is taking a little bit of the colour out. You never see it anyway, because it's hidden behind there. And they've got the bellows tongue as well in there, so they're really nice, nicely watertight right up to this area here. Lovely, double stitched on the welt. Yeah, fabulous. If you like that sort of thing, and I do like it. Obviously, you look at that and you think that's not the English sort of style. Usually when we see something like this, it's generally made in America or somewhere like that. But these are from Japan. Lovely, lovely boots, and I thought I'd just show you them on this quick video.